Yeah, hello everyone, Martins here. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how you can log into your 2access.io account. Particularly after they have done these updates and changes at the back office. I need to just show you what to do to get to your account and how to actually maneuver. Alright, so the first thing you do is to go to your browser, and then you now type 2access.io, 2access.io, and then you press enter. So that will take you to the official website, which is the Homify website. Alright. Another way is to go to homify.com. Alright, so but 2access.io, then you click on this button that says visit Homify. So when you click on that button, it will now bring this window. Alright, you see welcome to the future of Web3 and decentralized applications. Well, decentralized applications. Alright, home, how it works, contact. So what you want to click on is this go to app. So you click on go to app. So it will now bring a window where you can now log in. Alright, because I was previously logging, it's taking me here, so I'll just log out so that I can log in again, so that you see how it is when you're logging in for the first time. So when you now click on go to app, then it take you to this window here. This is where you sign in to your account. Okay, if you already have an account, you sign in. So usually you use your email address that is registered with them. Alright, and then you now put in your password. Okay, so that's your password. Alright, then you now check this I am human box, and then you click on sign in. Alright, so when you click on check this and click on sign in, it will now bring up this puzzle that you need to solve before you can go in. So it's very easy. Make sure you read the instruction on top. Please click each image containing animals sitting or lying down. So I look for animals that are sitting or lying down. This one is sitting. This one is also lying down. Alright, so we click on next. I will give you to do it twice. The same thing, click on image containing animals sitting or lying down. This one is sitting down, and then this one is lying down. Okay, so you click on verify. Alright, so when you click on verify, you now click on sign in. Alright, and then it will now bring this window where you now need to put in your Google Authenticator code. Alright, so you go to your phone, go to your mobile app, and then you search for the Google Authenticator icon, click on it, and then this Google Authenticator is quite tricky, so you wait for it to start from the beginning because it expires after it's signed. So you wait for the thing to start from the beginning so that you have enough time to tap it and check in before it expires. Alright, so I'm just going to do that now. So alright, so that is it. 563662. Alright, so that's the code, and I'll click on verify, and that's it. So I've logged into my account. It's that simple. Alright, so if any case the thing had expired, it will now ask you to do the puzzle again. So you now go and do it again until you can get in. So now when you log in, this is where you come. You see your email, your account this way. Alright, so now for those people who are just signing in for the first time, maybe you didn't have any previous packages or investments before, products that you bought before the migration to this new platform. Then all you need to do is to click on this DeFi 360. So when you click on DeFi 360, you will now see the new packages that are there. The current one is this Node K. Alright, these are the new machines, minting machines for staking that you can then access. So if you have bought any new package, this is where you see it. You see Node K, then you click on Visit. You click on the Visit button, then you will now see your package here. But I have not staked anything, so there's nothing here. But if you have staked, I have a machine here, but the machine is not active. So if you have staked, and if you have bought a machine, you see the machine that you bought here. You see a green button to show that the machine has been activated. And then you see the amount that you staked, and then you see what is linked to it, the value. Everything will be here. So you can then go down and you now see what is staked from here. I have a machine, but there's no token on it, so nothing is staked. As you can see that there's nothing staked. But if you have staked, you see what is staked, the amount you stake. When the staking was done, the date will be there. So it's that simple. Then it will be generating for you. So as time goes on, you'll now be seeing the amount that has been given to you, minted as your reward, daily reward. You see them here. And then if you want to claim them, you can claim them. Just click on this claim button to claim, to move it out to where you can then eventually withdraw it and go and sell on the exchange. Okay, so but I will do a new video on that. So this is for the new package. But for those people who were there before and had previous packages and they have not got any new package, where you go is that you go to this home. Alright, when you click on the home, which is Homify, then you now go to external apps. So when you click on external apps, you will now see all your previous areas where you have your previous taking. For example, if you click on this K mintings, you see all the previous packages that were running on the Zenek blockchain. Alright, they will just be here. So as you can see, this one is loading now. Alright, and so that's it. Alright, so we are talking of a new membership fee. I will find out later about that, but I'll just say later. So you can see this is my normal package there, £2. Then I have CD. So you can see it has minted, so I can move my coins from here to my normal wallet by clicking this token transfer them. Alright, so this is my Zenik minting hub. Then this is also £2 that's minted this much. This is another Zenik minting. Alright, so that's just it basically for the previous packages. Alright, so for you to check your community, you can just go here and look at your community. So under your community, you will see this community here is actually the people under the new packages, either is Node K or a Cloud K. Alright, so people that bought pro packages under Cloud K, these are the people that are here. So I have people here. It says inactive. I don't know why they say inactive, but they are all active actually. They are active. So maybe they have not finished the migration. But for the previous people you referred under Zenek, you have to click on My Zera Pro. My Zera Pro will take you to your back office, where you can see all the previous referrals, people you refer, people that are under you, your upline or downline, and you can see them here. So in this case, you still have to put in your email address and password. So for this one, you don't need any Google Authenticator, just your username and password, and then you are good to go. Alright, so you just click on login, so it will take you to your back office. Alright, so it's that simple. It's loading. So yeah, let's be patient for it to load. Okay. Alright, I think the internet is slow. If it doesn't go, I can refresh and then log in again. Alright, let's just do a refresh. Refresh. And then try to log in. Okay. Type your password and click on login. This should do. So this should take us to our back office. So you see all our referred people we referred to be there. So if it's not going, something to do with the internet, you can always try next time. I think the network is slow. Alright, so but that is how that one is. Okay. Still not going in. So anyways, that's how you log in. So this is internet issue. And then you can go back to there, you click on home. When you go back, click on home. And then so here you can see your wallet. Okay. So if you have any thing there, they are showing your wallet. I have some things there. Okay. Alright, so you want to deposit, you click on deposits, and then you get your wallet address, depending on what you are trying to deposit, you know, whether it's MK, but usually it's layer K that will deposit here. You go there and click and select the network, which is Polygon network. We always use Polygon. Then you copy the address if you want to deposit. Alright, so that's it. Alright, you can deposit, you can withdraw. Alright, so if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw. So if you have anything there, it will show. But in this case, I haven't got anything to withdraw. So there's nothing showing there. Alright, there's nothing showing. Alright, there's nothing showing. Okay. Okay, so that's just it. Then we have shop. This shop is where you buy new packages. Alright, so it's called Horismall. So this is Horismall. This is where you buy your new packages. Alright, you click here. If you are just signing in, you buy your license, which is $39. And these are all the packages: 100, 500, 1,005, 10,000. Alright, and then you know all the packages are there. Alright, so yeah, so this is membership license, and this is only 5 millimax virtual machine, which somebody just signed in on, that we are congratulating today. Alright, so these are different packages.